Pistachios, renowned for their unique flavor and nutritional value, are one of the world's most cherished nuts. Their history is as rich as their taste, with records of cultivation spanning thousands of years. These small, vibrant green nuts are native to Iran, a region that long held dominance as the primary producer and exporter of pistachios. Iran's connection to pistachios is deep-rooted, as the nut has been a key ingredient in traditional Persian dishes and desserts, celebrated for both its taste and health benefits. Today, however, the United States has taken the lead as the largest pistachio producer, supplying approximately 40% of the global market. The fertile lands of California, particularly in the state's San Joaquin Valley, provide ideal growing conditions for pistachio orchards. The shift in production dominance reflects the United States' significant investments in agricultural innovation, irrigation systems, and sustainable farming practices, allowing American pistachio farmers to achieve remarkable yield and quality. In 2022, the United States pistachio industry reached a record valuation, with the crop valued at an astounding $1.9 billion. California, where nearly all of the country's pistachios are grown, experienced a banner year. That year, California growers harvested over 1.03 billion pounds of pistachios, marking a historic high and reflecting the strong and growing demand for this beloved nut. At the farm level, the crop's worth was estimated at more than $1.8 billion, showcasing its economic importance to the agricultural industry. The global appeal of pistachios continues to grow due to their versatility. Beyond a popular snack, pistachios are used in a variety of recipes around the world, from Middle Eastern baklava and Italian gelato to salads, sauces, and health bars. They are packed with essential nutrients, including protein, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making them an ideal choice for health-conscious consumers. Additionally, as awareness of plant-based diets and heart-healthy foods rises, so too does the demand for pistachios. The success of pistachio cultivation in the United States represents not only a shift in the global market, but also a triumph of modern agricultural practices, and a response to evolving consumer trends. With each harvest, the industry continues to flourish, positioning pistachios as a vital crop with both economic and cultural value worldwide. Pistachio cultivation is a fascinating and intricate process that requires careful planning and specific conditions to yield a successful harvest. But what does it take to grow and care for these resilient nut trees? To thrive, pistachios need well-drained soil with a balanced mixture of clay, sand, loam, and organic materials, creating an ideal environment for their growth. The planting process in commercial pistachio farming typically starts with grafted plants rather than seeds. This approach ensures that the young trees possess both the best qualities of the pistachio variety, known as the scion, and the hardiness of the rootstock, which is chosen for its resistance to pests and adaptability to the environment. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the hot summer months from late July through August, when young trees may require up to 50 gallons of water per day. To meet this need efficiently, most pistachio orchards use drip irrigation or micro-irrigation systems. These systems allow for precise water control, helping to conserve water and ensure each tree receives adequate moisture. Nutritional needs are another critical aspect of pistachio tree care. Throughout the year, growers regularly analyze the soil and leaves to determine the optimal fertilization plan for the trees. This monitoring helps provide essential nutrients, ensuring the trees remain healthy and capable of producing high-quality nuts. Weeds around the trees are also carefully managed, as they can compete with the trees for nutrients. Pruning is done periodically to promote healthy growth and improve airflow, which helps reduce the risk of disease. Pistachio trees also present unique challenges, such as their alternate bearing nature. This means they tend to have cycles of high yield and low yield years, making it essential for growers to manage their orchards carefully to achieve consistent output. It takes patience to cultivate pistachios, as trees generally need around 5 to 6 years before they begin to bear fruit. During this period, growers must provide consistent care to help the trees reach their full potential. The pistachio growing season starts in late March when flower buds formed the previous summer begin to bloom. By April, the flowers are in full bloom, and unlike other nut trees that depend on bees, pistachios rely on the wind for pollination. In May, the inner shells of the nuts begin to form, and by June, these shells reach full size and harden as the nut matures. By July, the nuts have fully developed and swell, causing the shells to naturally split open, an indicator that the pistachios are nearing harvest time. Pistachio harvesting is typically done using mechanical shakers that gently shake the trees to release the nuts. This process is highly efficient and allows farmers to collect the nuts without damaging the trees. After harvesting, the nuts are quickly processed to remove their outer hulls and dry them to preserve freshness. This careful handling is essential to maintain the high quality and distinctive flavor of pistachios that consumers around the world enjoy. In summary, pistachio farming is a labor-intensive but rewarding endeavor. From the preparation of nutrient-rich soil to the delicate harvesting process, every stage requires skill and precision. With patience, dedication, and advanced farming techniques, pistachio growers around the world continue to bring this cherished nut to our tables, contributing both to local economies and to the global food market. The pistachio harvest season kicks off in late August or early September, timed precisely when the pistachio shells begin to split naturally and their outer hulls loosen and separate easily. This is the ideal moment to harvest, as it preserves the nut's quality and flavor. To collect the nuts efficiently, mechanical shakers are deployed. These machines vigorously shake the pistachio trees, causing the nuts to fall into specially designed V-shaped catch frames placed beneath the branches. This method minimizes impact on the nuts and makes collection fast and effective. After gathering, the pistachios are quickly moved along conveyors and into bins or trailers for transport to processing facilities. The rapid collection and transfer process help retain the nuts' freshness and protect their delicate structure. Farmers use these precise techniques to ensure that every pistachio is carefully collected, preserving its natural flavor and maintaining its quality. Since pistachios are a sensitive crop, timing is everything. If the nuts are left on the trees too long or if their outer hulls remain in contact with the shells after harvesting, the shells can become stained. To avoid this and to maintain the highest quality standards, pistachio farmers engage in a rigorous around-the-clock harvest cycle. For the duration of the 6 to 8 week harvest season, the industry operates continuously, often 24/7, to ensure the nuts are harvested as soon as they ripen. This intensive approach minimizes the risk of staining and guarantees that consumers receive premium quality pistachios. In summary, pistachio harvesting is a precise, fast-paced process requiring careful timing and skill. With each season, farmers work tirelessly to deliver high-quality pistachios, carefully preserving the crop's natural taste, texture, and value for markets worldwide. After drying, pistachios undergo a specialized sorting process to separate nuts with naturally split shells from those with unsplit shells. This is achieved by passing the nuts through a rotating drum equipped with fine pins. As the drum turns, it catches pistachios with naturally split shells, while allowing unsplit ones to pass through. Naturally split shells are especially prized for their appearance and convenience, so these nuts are further sorted by size and color to ensure quality and uniformity. Unsplit pistachios are not wasted, they are carefully cracked by mechanical means to access the inner kernels. Following this sorting, the in-shell pistachios are stored in large bins and kept at temperatures between 40 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4 to 7 degrees Celsius. This controlled storage preserves their freshness until they are ready for final packaging and sale. This multi-step process, from drying to careful sorting and temperature-controlled storage, ensures that consumers receive high-quality pistachios with the best flavor, appearance, and freshness.